Fellow Nigerians, it's such a painful thing that a country so blessed of God, a country so endowed with human, material, physical resources, will be turned into a nation now known as the poverty capital of the world. Is very unfortunate, and that's not just only a nation that should be at peace with itself, is at war with itself. All over the country today, there are pockets of violence, of all kinds of malfeasance and misdemeanor, from terrorists to bandits to kidnappers, and to all kinds of evil work. Nigerians now don't feel safe. They don't feel safe in their homes, and there's so much ethnic chauvinism, hatred, dislike. There's so much display of disunity in our nation, and for me, that is causing me a lot of pain in my heart, because I believe that this country deserves better. Our young people deserve better, even they deserve better. So that's the reason the New Nigeria Group has come forth to be able to create a platform to change things for our country. We want people who genuinely want to change our country to join, to change our country. And we are creating an opportunity for everybody to express his opinion. This country is a country that believes in freedom and liberty. In an NG, we will promote freedom of speech. We will allow every human being to have ownership of this country. The country belongs to everyone, and we expect everybody to be an owner, not a visitor. Nobody should be treated unjustly. Nobody should be treated unfairly. We want to deal with issues of poverty. Every Nigerian should be enabled to take care of himself and his family. We are dealing with the issue. Corruption must be taken away back from the foundation, both spiritual, physical, the way we compensate people, the way we treat people. Because if somebody has to take care of everything in the world, nothing is being done for him by government, then the temptations can arise. But when we provide the basic things, basic infrastructure, transportation, electricity, water, and decent schools and housing, then the person does not have the pressure to steal or abuse his privilege. We want to deal with injustice. No Nigerian should be discriminated against. We want to deal with insecurity. No crime should be treated, no criminal should be left free, and no Nigerian who is innocent should be treated or should be traumatized or criminalized. That's what we want to do, to create a level playing to grow. There's enough room for us to push that. The North has enough to produce, the West has enough to produce, the East has enough, the South. Every part of this country is blessed. We want healthy competition, but above all, we want to love each other. We want a nation that fears God, a nation where people eschew bitterness and hatred and love each other. A nation we shall be proud of. That's what New Nigeria Group is all about, and we'll come on board.